So what took place here that makes the Garden of Gethsemane special? And what ties the Garden of Gethsemane to the Church of all nations? The Garden of Gethsemane is specifically mentioned in the Gospel of Matthew and the Gospel of Mark as the location where Jesus prayed the night he was arrested before his crucifixion. Our group was allowed to enter this northern section of the garden through this private gate directly across from the Church of all nations. The garden is a very peaceful and tranquil place located at the base of the Mount of Olives, just outside the eastern walls of the old city of Jerusalem. The name Gethsemane means oil press, and even today, olive trees dominate the garden. The oldest trees in the garden have been dated to be around 900 years old. I do want to send a thank you to our fabulous tour guide, Philip Kuhl, who you see here. If you are planning a trip to Israel, I highly recommend Philip, and will leave a link to his website in the description below. Directly adjacent to the gardens is the Church of all nations. Each of the columns at the front of the church have a statue of one of the four evangelists. They are from left to right: Mark, Luke, Matthew, and John. This church received its name because after the end of World War I, 12 nations from around the world raised the funds for the construction. Construction on the church lasted from 1919 until 1924. This church was built to enshrine a section of bedrock where it is believed Jesus prayed the night of his arrest. The church is intentionally kept very dimly lit to simulate the night where Jesus was praying here. This structure stands on the same site of two previous churches. A 4th century Byzantine church was originally built here. That was destroyed in the year 746 in a major earthquake. Later, the Crusaders built a 12th century chapel, but it was abandoned in the year 1345. During construction of this church, original mosaics and foundation pieces from the Byzantine church were discovered. They were all removed before construction was continued. This is the actual bedrock where it is believed Jesus prayed that night. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more videos from our travels through Israel and other adventures.